is 14 inches. See, I was going under. 14-inch whiting, my first fish of 2025. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna wrap it up yet. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. But I was actually getting ready to leave, try to beat that 5 o'clock traffic. It's a Friday, and if you live in Jacksonville, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. That's nice, 14-inch. Very nice whiting. I'll take it all day long. I'll take it all day long.